Have you ever wondered how to make money from Forex trading? Imagine a world of currencies, constantly fluctuating in value against each other, and the potential to profit from these movements. Welcome to the universe of Forex trading. Forex trading, short for foreign exchange trading, is the act of buying and selling different currencies with the aim of making a profit. It's one of the largest and most liquid markets in the world, boasting a daily trading volume of over $5 trillion. So, how does one navigate this vast ocean of currencies and turn a profit? Let's break it down. Firstly, devise a trading strategy. This is your roadmap, your guide through the tumultuous waters of Forex trading. Your strategy should reflect your trading style, risk tolerance, and financial goals. There are various strategies to consider, such as trend trading, range trading, and arbitrage. Secondly, do your homework. Understanding the nuances of the currencies you intend to trade is crucial. Be aware of the economic factors that affect their prices, such as interest rates, inflation, and political stability. Thirdly, manage your risk. Forex trading is a high-risk venture. Use stop-loss orders to cap your losses if the market goes against you, and use position sizing to control the amount of money you risk on each trade. Fourthly, choose a reputable broker. A broker regulated by a financial authority adds a layer of protection for your money and ensures fair execution of your trades. Fifthly, start small. Dipping your toes before diving in allows you to learn the ropes while minimizing risk. As your experience grows, so too can your trading size. Sixthly, resist the temptation to chase losses. If a trade results in a loss, don't try to recuperate it by making more trades. This is a surefire way to lose more money. Seventhly, remember to take breaks. The stress of Forex trading can be overwhelming. Breaks help to maintain focus and prevent impulsive decisions. Eighthly, learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes them. The key is to use them as stepping stones towards better trading. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. A financial advisor can provide valuable guidance in developing a trading strategy and risk management. You can also enhance your trading with additional tools. Employ technical analysis to spot trading opportunities and use fundamental analysis to comprehend the factors that influence currency prices. Trading on margin and using leverage can amplify your profits, but remember, they can also escalate your losses. And before you start trading with real money, consider using a demo account to practice your strategies. Forex trading is a risky endeavor, and success is never guaranteed. However, implementing these tips can increase your chances of turning a profit in the dynamic world of Forex trading. Remember, it's not about winning every trade, but about making more right decisions than wrong ones. So, dive in, stay disciplined, and may the Forex be with you.